Welcome to Falcon TV. Subscribe to the channel to stay informed and inspire us.
Building your own e-bike allows you to fully customize the motor power, battery range, and frame design. With proper planning and mechanical skills, you can create an electric bike tailored to your needs for less than a pre-built model. This comprehensive 55-step guide covers the full DIY e-bike conversion process. Planning. Determine e-bike type: mountain, cruiser, city, etc. Research your local e-bike regulations including power limits. Decide on motor type: hub, mid-drive, friction drive, etc. Select battery type based on desired range: lead acid, Li-ion, etc. Buy suitable donor bike for conversion, ideally with front suspension. Make concept sketches of e-bike design and component placement. Frame prep. Disassemble donor bike completely. Keep all hardware organized. Thoroughly clean and inspect frame for any damage. Repair as needed. Consider frame reinforcements for supporting battery weight. Identify attachment points to mount motor and battery. Touch up paint chips to protect from future rust. Research and purchase any frame modification parts needed. Motor installation. Select motor power rating based on your performance goals. Get matching motor controller suitable for battery pack voltage. Measure wheel axle diameter to match hub motor size. Fabricate mounting brackets customized for frame design. Mount motor securely at desired position: front hub, rear hub, etc. Align motor shaft with wheel axle using calipers. Attach wheel to motor with torque arm clamping or set screws. Battery integration. Calculate total capacity needed using range and power requirements. Select suitable battery: Li-ion cells or lead acid packs. Obtain cells, packs matching voltage and capacity targets. Design battery mount to securely hold batteries on frame. Fabricate and install battery enclosure from aluminum or steel. Connect batteries to motor controller using appropriately thick wires. Add fuse for battery protection from overloads. Include battery usage meter to monitor remaining charge. Electrical systems. Select and install throttle tuned for motor response. Mount display panel with speedometer, odometer, etc. Install basic lighting: headlight, brake and hazard lights. Wire brushless motor to controller as per specifications. Connect all components using suitable wire gauges. Add multifunction control switch unit for lights and assists. Include charging port and connect to battery for easy charging. Verify ground connections from battery and controller. Drivetrain and controls. Install new chain, cassette, derailleur to handle motor power if needed. Upgrade brakes discs for more stopping power if old brakes are inadequate. Tuning gear ratios for optimal pedaling cadence and torque. Optimize shifter placement for easy access while riding. Adjust derailleur limit screws and index shifting correctly. Mount brake levers appropriately to handlebar location. Verify smooth operation for all control cables, shifter, brakes, etc. Testing and finishing. Do initial bench testing and adjustments on motor system. Spin wheels to check wobble and alignment before first ride. Test ride without assist at low speeds to verify controls. Try motor assist at incremental power levels and speeds. Run through all gear ratios under motor power. Adjust as needed. Validate braking performance. Adjust brake lever positions. Fully charge and discharge battery to confirm expected range. Enclose control components to protect from weather. Cable tie and organize loose wires for clean appearance. Upgrade wheels, tires, suspension and other components as desired. Add custom paint, decals and touches to personalize e-bike. Register and insure e-bike based on your local laws. Share your e-bike build experience and help others. With some determination and mechanical aptitude, you can successfully build a custom e-bike tailored to your riding needs and style. Following this detailed step-by-step guide will help you create your dream electric bike. Take it slow, test thoroughly, and most importantly, have fun riding.
If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you.